Let's see how MacroView Clause Bank can help us to streamline the preparation of sales proposals. Clause Bank does this by making it easy for a business user who's working in Word to find standard approved content that's stored centrally in SharePoint and retrieve that content into the sales proposal that they're preparing. Let's see how this looks in practice. Let's imagine that we're from Wise Advisors and that we're preparing a proposal around streamlining document generation for a potential customer called Acme Limited. We've got the Wise Advisors proposal template open. Let's go to the Key Benefits area and from the Insert ribbon of Word, go to the Clause Bank group and click Clause. The Clause Bank dialog displays. Within the SharePoint Online Clause Bank, we can go to the Proposal Clauses area and drill down and choose MacroView Clause Bank. We see a number of reusable content items. As we click on each one of them, we see a formatted preview of that item. Let's choose Easy to Maintain. We can do that by simply dragging and dropping. Easy to use looks good, so let's double-click to choose it as well. If we want, we can rearrange the order of the selected items by dragging and dropping. Now let's click OK. The two selected items are inserted at the cursor position. Note that the formatting of the selected items has been maintained and the numbering has worked accurately. Let's insert some material between these two clauses. Again, we click the Clause button. Clause Bank remembers where we were most recently located. This time we want to find any clause whose content contains the word time. Looks like there's only one that does, and here's the preview of it. Eliminating time wasted. That's great. Let's drag and drop to select that clause and insert it at that position. As we can see, the numbering has adjusted automatically and the graphic content within that clause has been retained successfully. Let's jump down to the next part of our proposal template and insert some CVs for staff we'd like to be involved in this proposed project. Managing CVs is an excellent use of Clause Bank. We go to the CV clauses area and note that the available CVs have been arranged into groups. Let's click the General area and preview the first of those CVs for Charles Gray. Looks good, so let's select Charles by dragging and dropping. John Burgess looks interesting. Great CV, but we note down here that John has special CVs available for architecture, construction, engineering, so we can go to that area and choose the correct CV for John. Again, we drag and drop, and now click to insert at the current cursor position. Our two CVs have been inserted, fully formatted, exactly as we selected them. Clause Bank streamlines sales proposal preparation by making it easy to find and reuse sales boilerplate text and graphics, and by ensuring the correct formatting of the retrieved content. MacroView Clause Bank is not only easy to use, it's also easy to implement and maintain. In later videos in this playlist, we'll see how you can easily set up a new Clause Bank, add content to it, and even prevent the use of out-of-date content.